counter coming in from the BJP side, because this is coming at a time when the parliament has been stalled over multiple issues. Last week is when the winter session of parliament began, and almost on a daily basis we are looking at protests taking part on part of the opposition, and the Congress continues to raise questions on the EVM. The Prime Minister meanwhile launched a scathing attack on the Congress party, alleging that those who considered power as their birthright are now angry as the people have kept them out of office for over a decade, and they are now conspiring against the very country. He warned that there is a bid to spread misinformation and lies in a bid to mislead the people.
कि वो देश के खिलाफ साजिश करने में जुटे हैं, देश को गलत दिशा में ले जाने के लिए उन्होंने लोगों को गुमराह करना शुरू कर दिया है। उनकी झूठ और अफवाह की दुकान पिछले 10 साल से चल रही है। हमें हर पल सतर्क रहना है और लोगों को जागरूक करते रहना है। हमें हर झूठ को बेनकाब करना है। सत्ता के ये भूखे लोग जनता से सिर्फ झूठ बोलते आए हैं। ये अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को भी झूठा दिलासा देने के लिए यही कर रहे हैं। मैं तो आप भी तो देखते होंगे ना, 2019 में जो चौकीदार उनके लिए चोर था, 2024 में आते आते वो ईमानदार हो गया, और एक बार भी चौकीदार को चोर तो गाली नहीं पड़ी।
Now, this is just one of the multiple attacks that have been made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's take you through the 5 big attacks by the Prime Minister himself. When it comes to launching a scathing attack on the Congress in the recent poll loss that the party has to face, the Prime Minister goes on to say that this is a conspiracy against the country where there seems to be a concerted effort to mislead the people by the Congress party, saying that this is a bid when it comes to spreading misinformation and to lead people astray, a certain narrative that is now being built. Another attack that the Prime Minister goes on to say that the Congress party and the opposition are angry that they have not been able to win elections when it comes to the assembly elections, and even when it comes to their vote share that has gone down. Though power was their birthright, however, they have now been kept out of power for over a decade, and even when it comes to their own alliances are raising questions on the position that the Congress party currently holds as a national party. The Prime Minister went on to say that there are power-hungry people who have lied to the people, and this seems to be a narrative that they want to spread misinformation and lies. Mohit, strong attacks coming in on part of the Prime Minister itself. Actually, when it comes to the Prime Minister or the BJP, of course, that being the party which is opposing the Congress ideology will raise questions. But more importantly, when it comes to Congress's own allies, have been raising questions on Congress party's position within the alliance.
Well, yes, in fact, Amita, you see, now this is not the first time that PM has spoken about the Congress party thinking that the Congress have birthright to be at the center, and they are not able to digest that they are out of power for so long, and hence they are using all the methods to attack the judiciary, electoral system. On the first day of the parliament itself, Prime Minister, while speaking to the media in his customary address, basically stated that the Congress party has been rejected by the people umpteen number of times, but still they want to disrupt the parliament. They do not want discussion to take place, and hence again we see that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi says that those who consider power as their birthright have not been able to come to hold to power as center for the last decade, and he also accused Congress party of misleading the citizens of the country and saying that out of anger the party is busy plotting against the country. Now, while we see that very strong reactions have come in from the Congress party, we see Pawan Kheda has basically stated and reminded him of his own speeches in the past. Was he speaking in anger? He goes on to say, and he also goes on to say that it's about the entire electoral process that the Congress party is raising questions. They have written to the EC but did not get the reply. So we see that the Congress party have raised questions on the various instances regarding the EVMs, and they have written to the Election Commission, and this has has been the charge by the Congress party that EC has been working under the control of the BJP, while the BJP has said that EC is a constitutional authority and the Congress party should not use such language. And that we see that how the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has attacked the Congress party, saying that they think that to be in power is their birthright and they are not able to digest when they are out of power.
Well, that's the point that has been raised by the Prime Minister. Let's once again listen in exactly when it comes to multiple attacks that the Prime Minister has been raising over Congress's performance in the recently held elections.
कि वो देश के खिलाफ साजिश करने में जुटे हैं, देश को गलत दिशा में ले जाने के लिए उन्होंने लोगों को गुमराह करना शुरू कर दिया। उनकी झूठ और अफवाह की दुकान पिछले 10 साल से चल रही है। हमें हर पल सतर्क रहना है और लोगों को जागरूक करते रहना है। हमें हर झूठ को बेनकाब करना है। सत्ता के ये भूखे लोग जनता से सिर्फ झूठ बोलते आए हैं। ये अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को भी झूठा दिलासा देने के लिए यही कर रहे हैं। मैं तो आप भी तो देखते होंगे ना, 2019 में जो चौकीदार उनके लिए चोर था, 2024 में आते आते वो ईमानदार हो गया और एक बार भी चौकीदार को चोर तो गाली नहीं पड़ी।
Well, this is the Prime Minister's scathing attack on the Congress party in particular, saying that a certain narrative is being said to spread lies and misinformation. With that, we head into a short break.